Let us draw a dog today. You can follow the steps. We'll make one circle, then we will make another circle. There'll be a circle inside it, one more circle and another circle inside it. You can see where this is going, the nose and the eyes, and then we will create the rest of the body. So I'm looking at a drawing and I'm trying to redraw it, and then you can try and follow me, so together we can learn how to draw cartoons, and the more we draw, the better we will get at it. So the reason I'm doing this is because I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel. So if you're watching this, thank you very much. You just helped someone get free education. I'm also creating coin sculptures, and I plan to make the world's largest coin sculpture, and the money raised through that coin sculpture will be used for student scholarships and helping students. I'll be making a lot of videos about how I'm helping students as I start working on my project and it starts developing. So what you are witnessing is the start of my doodling, and I plan to make 1 million doodles. So let us see how many doodles does it take to raise 1.1 million dirhams, which is what it will take to create the world's largest coin sculpture. It will be made up of 1 dirham coin, so I need 1.1 million 1 dirham coins. And by watching this video and trying to draw with me, you are in the mission with me, and I thank you for that. I encourage you to ask your friends and family members to watch my channel, learn how to draw, and in the process help students get free education. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. You just helped someone get free education. I'm on a mission to provide free education through my channel.